Ang property po namin ay sakop ng road widening. Bali, ang babayaran sa amin ng gobyerno ay ang bahay lang daw. Yung lupa ay babayaran daw ng gobyerno sa may hawak ng titulo. Third honor na po kasi kami. Pero patay na po ang first and second honor at may hawak kaming deed of absolute sale na notarized pa. Mayroon din kaming resibo ng transfer of title, tax declaration, tax clearance at nakakapagbayad din ng amilyar. Ang tanong, may habol pa po ba kaming mabayaran sa lupa? Yes, Mr. Agapito, itong sagot ni Attorney Noel. Thank you, Attorney Noel.
Yes, malinaw na malinaw dun sa documents na sinabi ni Mr. Agapito na kumpleto siya ng required documents for purposes of expropriation. Ito kasi yung ini-expropriate. So, mayroon siyang deed of absolute sale. Hindi lang niya nata-transfer pero nagbabayad naman siya ng tax. So, that is more than sufficient to show proof that you are entitled to the compensation, just compensation for the payment of the property expropriated. So, entitled po siya. Sufficient na ho yan yung present niya ho. Kasi hindi naman ho yan, right? Hindi katulad kanina, hindi naman ho yan kasi sa property, alam niyo ang pinaka-importante yung deed of sale. Yung transfer, minsan, it's a proof of that you are the registered owner of the property. But for whatever legal purposes is concerned, ang pinaka-importante is yung dinatawag nilang deed of conveyance, which transfer the right of ownership, the right and interest over the property to another person. So yung deed of sale na hinahawakan ni Mr. Agapito ay more than sufficient. At kalakip pa nito ay nagbabayad sila, may tax clearance sila, meron ng tax declaration, meron ng transfer of title. Hindi na ho, ang tingin ko ho dyan, baka ayaw lang magbayad kung sino man ho yung nag-expropriate yan. Hindi naman po pwedeng bayaran ka ng bahay lang na hindi kasama yung lupa. Kasi ang bahay, it is inseparable, no? It's form parts of the real property, inseparable doon sa real property. Hindi pwedeng maging real property hindi pwedeng i-consider na personal property yung bahay without the land. So, kung nagbayad sila babayaran nila yung bahay with more reason, dapat bayaran nila yung lupa. Kasi ibig sabihin, that is a recognition itself, no? That in-expropriate nila yung property na may obligasyon sila para for them to pay the just compensation.